Join me as I challenge myself to find and taste test the most powerful vegan protein sources you absolutely need to know about. Getting enough protein on a plant-based diet can be a challenge, but it's essential for maintaining a balanced diet and supporting overall health. As someone who follows a vegan lifestyle, you're likely already aware of the importance of protein in your diet, but you may not know where to find it or how to incorporate it into your meals. One of the biggest misconceptions about a plant-based diet is that it's hard to get enough protein. People often assume that you need to eat meat or dairy to get enough protein, but that's just not true. In reality, there are plenty of high-quality plant-based protein sources out there, and I'm about to share some of my favorites with you. Another challenge that people face is not realizing that plant-based proteins can be just as effective as animal-based proteins. In fact, many plant-based proteins have additional health benefits that animal-based proteins don't, like fiber and antioxidants. So even if you're not vegan, incorporating more plant-based proteins into your diet can be a great way to boost your overall health. It's also common for people to rely on supplements or processed foods to meet their protein needs, but these options can be expensive and often contain unhealthy additives. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get all the protein you need from whole, nutrient-dense foods. Lentils are one of the most powerful vegan protein sources out there. Not only are they high in protein, but they're also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Plus, they're ridiculously affordable and easy to incorporate into your meals. You can add them to soups, stews, curries, or even use them to make veggie burgers. Chickpeas are another protein powerhouse that deserves some love. These little legumes are packed with protein, fiber, and vitamins, and they're so versatile. You can use them to make hummus, add them to salads, or even blend them into a protein-rich smoothie. Quinoa is often touted as a superfood, and for good reason. This protein-rich grain is also packed with fiber, iron, and magnesium, making it a nutritional powerhouse. Plus, it's ridiculously easy to cook and can be added to everything from salads to stir-fries. Tofu is another protein-rich food that's often misunderstood. When done right, tofu can be a game-changer for meeting your protein needs. Look for extra firm tofu and press it before marinating it to get the best results. You can use it to make everything from stir-fries to scrambles. But there's one powerful vegan protein source that you might not know about, and that's seitan. Seitan is made from wheat gluten and is often used in place of meat in Asian cuisine. It's ridiculously high in protein and has a meaty texture that makes it perfect for dishes like vegan meatballs or chicken parmesan. Seitan is also incredibly versatile and can be marinated, baked, or even grilled to give it a smoky flavor. And because it's made from wheat gluten, it's naturally low in calories and fat. If you haven't tried seitan before, trust me, you need to give it a shot. So there you have it, folks. Some of the most powerful vegan protein sources you need to know about. From lentils to seitan, these protein-rich foods are guaranteed to help you meet your protein needs and support overall health. Thanks for tuning in, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your favorite vegan protein source, and how do you like to incorporate it into your meals? And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more plant-based goodness, and check out my next video on easy plant-based meal ideas.